Hey, Merry Christmas. Hey. This is the Imperial Dam parade they have just before Christmas. And hey, how you doing? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. So they're coming by on their ATVs. Hey! Oh, look at that. He's got a Santa Claus on the back. This is the best ATV parade I've ever seen in this country. So, hey, Merry Christmas. Look at this. Look at how many guys are down there. This is Imperial Dam, California. It's an LTVA, and oh man, this is unbelievable. Unbelievable what these people do out here. So, unbelievable light shows. Some Jeeps and a lot of ATVs. Hey! Okay. He's got the Santa Claus on the back. These guys, look at this. He's got a Christmas tree and a Santa Claus. Hey, Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! This is out in the middle of the desert. So, unfortunately, I didn't know they were coming by tonight. I ran a few lights. One light out here. You know, obviously it's out in the middle of the desert. So I ran some flashers here. But unfortunately, I didn't have time. I didn't know they were turn on my lights on the window here. So, but I put that out just so they don't run into each other. Because the first time they came through, some guy started backing up and he rammed into another guy. I shouldn't laugh about that, but he didn't cause any damage, I don't think. He just went backwards for some reason. Okay, it's Imperial Dam LTVA, December 23. They do this parade a couple of times just before Christmas. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. Eagle Eric signing out.